In the book that People magazine proclaimed beguiling and fascinating, Robert Greene and Joost Elffers have distilled 3,000 years of the history of power into 48 essential laws by drawing from the philosophies of Machiavelli, Sun Tzu, and Carl Von Clausewitz, and also from the lives of figures ranging from Henry Kissinger to P.T. Barnum. Some laws teach the need for prudence. Law 1, never outshine the master. Others teach the value of confidence. Law 28, enter action with boldness, and many recommend absolute self-preservation. Law 15, crush your enemy totally. Every law, though, has one thing in common, an interest in total domination. In a bold and arresting two-color package, the 48 Laws of Power is ideal whether your aim is conquest, self-defense, or simply to understand the rules of the game. Now, we offer you the most you can enjoy after reading the book. 10 life-changing lessons from the book The 48 Laws of Power. 1. Never outshine the master. Never make yourself look too much better than your master. Instead, make your masters appear more brilliant. Do things that make them look good in front of their own masters. In return, they will reward you as they see that you are valuable to them. 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Don't rely on friends to always tell you the truth and do you favors. Doing so makes you vulnerable and susceptible to manipulation. At the end of the day, everyone will do what is in their best interests. 3. Learn how to use enemies. Enemies can actually be great allies. You know that the relationship is strictly business, so you never expect any more than that. In addition, an enemy will have a lot more to prove to you. By working with them, you give them an incentive to work well. 4. Conceal your intentions. You never know what other people are thinking or if they will be offended by what you reveal. Thus, it is best to simply use a front that is different from what you truly want. Then focus on your self-interest in your own mind. 5. Always say less than necessary. When you say something, you can never take it back. People have heard it and they will remember it. That is why you must choose your words very carefully. 6. Guard your reputation with your life. Make your reputation a powerful blessing. Bring it up so that people see you as someone who is strong, smart, and respected. Such a reputation will in turn fuel your growth as the world opens up to make achieving your goals much easier. 7. Court attention at all costs. Get as many eyes on you as possible. Make sure people know who you are and give you their attention. That will make you stand out from the crowd as people take notice of you, giving you many more opportunities to grow, succeed, and achieve whatever you want. 8. Get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Strive to be that person, the one who is seen as responsible for the success of things. Let other people do the heavy lifting for you while knowing that the fruits go to the person who gets credit. Nine. 10. Make other people come to you, never use bait if necessary. Actions whenever you are in negotiations or meetings. If you're going to try to come into your territory and play yourself trying to explain things with words, you are the one in control while they have to stretch over to your side. Pull the trigger when you finish aiming.